Wagwan YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tanish, and today we're going to be making a delicious Italian recipe, Sinapa Piccata. This is so nice and juicy and mouth-watering, guys. You don't want to miss it. And guys, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified. Leave me a comment and give this video a big thumbs up. Stay healthy, be blessed, and let us start cooking. Okay guys, this is a recipe cooking tutorial, so please watch the full video so you can get a full idea and a full understanding of the recipe and how I prepare this delicious snapper piccata. Okay guys, so now that we went over our ingredients, now it's time to season my snapper. So I am going over my snapper with some salt, then my black pepper, generous amount guys. These are very thick pieces of fish, so if you have a thinner fish, you know you need less. If you have it thick, you need more. Then my lemon pepper seasoning, then my complete seasoning guys. Massage that nicely into your fish. Now it's nice and seasoned. Now it's time to baste our fish with some flour. Perfect. Beautiful. Add some olive oil to your frying pan, generous amount. Then your butter, and let that melt. Once your butter is nice and melted, go ahead and add your snapper. I wish every fish you have, guys. It can be done with other fish, I think. Then I'm going to add my capers so the fish can absorb that capered taste and give it that nice taste, you know. Then I'm going to flip my snapper once it's nice and fried, and there you go. Very lovely color. Nice and done guys. Look at that beautiful color there. That is so delicious looking, making me hungry all over again. Then I'm going to take that out because it's done. Then I'm going to add some more butter. Now it's time to make the sauce. You want a nice butter taste, nice butter lemony flavor. Adding my lemon slices, as you can see, guys.
If you're watching this video and you're enjoying this recipe, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, like, comment, and share. Thank you.
I'm going to let that saute while I add my garlic. And also add my capers, more capers. Add my fish bouillon, white wine, and lemon juice. Cover it and let it simmer. Once that nice and simmer, you're going to add your snapper. Add some flour if you like your sauce nice and thick. And then you're going to just cover that up basically and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Flip them, let the other side absorb some of that delicious juice. Cover and saute for another 5 minutes and then you are done. Sprinkle with your parsley and serve.